In this video, I will show you how to change the time or time zone on ByBit. So first of all, open your ByBit app. And if you are not started yet on ByBit, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to also earn a nice welcome bonus up to 200 euros or dollars in crypto. So anyway, let's dive into this video right now by clicking on the profile icon at the top left from our home tab. And from here, we're going to click on the settings icon at the top right. From here, we're going to scroll down. And when we scroll down, we see under trade, we see benchmark time zone. So to change it, we're going to click on this. And right now you can select a different time zone and then everything will be recalculated for your spots, spot margin trading, options, perpetuals, futures contracts, and demo trading. So go ahead and select the time zone that you want. And after you have done that, then everything will be set to that time zone. And that is how you can change your time on ByBit. Of course, you can also change the time on your device itself, and then this time will also be changed in ByBit. So that is depending on what you want to change in terms of your time. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.